All right, we're going to do the quicker version. All right. So this is h of x. So number of positive, all right? You go down the list of, you go down the coefficients. So it's positive, 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 changes to negative here, and then to positive there. So it's going to be 2 or 0. Now, I want to find h of negative x. Remember what we said before. Whatever has an odd exponent will flip signs. So it'll be negative 2x to the 5. X to the 4 stays. Negative 3x cubed. Negative 4x squared. Plus x plus 9. Okay? So now, how many times does it alternate? 1, 2, 3. Right? So number negative, 3 or 1. So now we make our chart. Positive, negative, imaginary. Okay. So I'm going to match these up. Blue team versus purple team. So the purple 2 is matched with 3 and 1. So 2 plays against 3, 2 against 1. Okay? No, just make sure that you put the 2's in the right column and the 3 and the 1 in the right column. Okay, so the 0 is paired with 3 and the 0 is paired with 1. Okay, now complete the chart. How many do they have to add up to?
There'll always be 4 columns.
No. There'll always be 3 columns, but the number of rows it's not set. So, what do I put in for imaginary for the first one? 0, and the second one? 2, and then? Okay, again, let's appreciate the beauty of math here. No matter what the values here, look, it always fixes itself so that you end with even numbers of imaginary. Like, I don't know why you guys aren't as excited about this as I am, but this is like super exciting stuff, right? Like, that the math just fixes itself. It's better than humans. It just like accounts for itself, okay? Yes, Max. Okay, so complex conjugates are like the partners of imaginary numbers, okay? So these are like partners. So basically, to get a complex conjugate, you make or you switch the sign of the imaginary number. Okay, so for example, if you have 3 plus 4i, the complex conjugate would be 3 minus 4i. Okay, you just switch the imaginary numbers sign. Huh?
How about we done this before? With the division, like with imaginary numbers, and then you have to do the opposite.
That's different than this. You can have to do it.
I was doing that. I remember.
Possibly. So what happens at this point is the big idea is because imaginary numbers come in pairs. If 3 plus 4i is a solution, then you know automatically that 3 minus 4i is also a solution. Okay, so what we're going to do here, it says write a polynomial function with zeros which include 4 and negative I. And this is the exact same thing as we did before. Did we do it before? See, now I'm getting confused if we did or not. Okay, I guess we didn't, but it's okay. We can do it here. So, if negative I is a solution, then you should know that that's an imaginary number and its buddy, positive I, is also a solution. Okay? No, just the imaginary numbers. All right, because it's only the imaginary numbers that must have pairs. So now, remember what I said before. If x equals 4 is a solution, then x minus 4 is a factor, right? So now, if I want a polynomial function, then that's f of x equals. Now, I take each of these numbers and I'm going to do x minus that number, 4. X minus negative I, it'll be x plus I. X minus positive I. Now, I need to multiply all this out. It's good practice to do the i's with i's and the numbers with the numbers. So here, x minus 4. And now this we've done before. Oh yeah, we did do complex conjugates and when we were doing numbers. That's right, we did. Sorry. Yeah, when we're doing the i's. Okay, good. So this one, remember, this is a pattern with the i's. If you have x plus I, x minus I, or x plus 2i, x minus 2i with the imaginary numbers, you square the first one. And then what's the coefficient here? 1, right? You square that one and you put a plus in the middle. You could FOIL, you're going to get the same thing. Now, multiply this out. It's going to be x cubed plus x.
So you square the first term.
Yeah.
Square the positive.
Yeah. And then plus x minus 4x squared minus 4. So f of x, we always like to put it in standard form, is x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 4. Yay! And with that, you can now do all the